Thumeka finally apologizes to Zoleka, telling her ukuba yena uyamthanda uHlathi and they're getting married. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Thumeka, after speaking to Magaba, if you want this to go on, you need to fix things, starting with your sister.
Spoke to Magaba.
Make things right with her because you need her blessing.
You need to
and then she spoke to Sunday. I told her, like, no, you never know.
You need her blessing.
Thumeka goes in there
and then encourages her
saying
to go over there.
Zoleka, what are you doing here? Because she's shocked. Thumeka at her house.
Goes to Zoleka
And she says, I'm here to apologize
Zoleka
for everything that I did. I didn't just take your husband. I took your life. Like I took your whole plan and I lived it for all these years. And I'm sorry for that. I'm taking accountability. As Zoleka, when Zankanene Thumeka, what are you doing? I love Hlathi and we're getting married. Oh, so that is why she's here actually, because they're getting married, so she wants to make things right. Ati Zoleka, Thumeka, I miss us, Mazo, the way we grew up, like we used to say in a second heartbeat. Ati Zoleka, you know what, Thumeka, you lied to me for so long, so I'm not ready to open my heart to you.
If you don't, it's
fine. That's fine. I'll wait for however long it takes for you to open it, or if it never happens. And then she gets home, tells Hlathi she's from Singzo. Like, Hlathi was like, how? So you went there groveling. No, I went there to apologize like an adult. If you're an adult, you take accountability. And Hlathi, I'm not going to let you manipulate me ever again. Like away from my family. As Hlathi, so you're blaming me for your relationship, for ruining your relationship with Zoleka. I'm just trying to fix the mess that we both made. And then if you want us to get married, you have to get used to me being with my family, because this time around, I'm not going to distance myself from them. Hlathi was so shocked, or else singachat get put. Hlathi was shocked. Is this Thumeka speaking to her like this? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.